Spider plants. One of the must-have green plants in your garden, and also one of the best plants to grow easily. Low maintenance, and also once you have one plant, you will have many out of it. Very easy to propagate. You can easily propagate them in water, or else once the spider plants produce the spiderets, the baby spider plants, you can easily regrow them, and you will have many spider plants in your garden. Welcome back to Thamaras garden. Today the topic is about growing spider plants in pots and also propagating them in water. You can grow them in water too. I had only one plant, and now out of that I have grown so many, and you can grow them in large size pots, or easily you can grow them in tubs. But once the plant has grown into many baby plants, and once it is producing other plants, it is best to transfer them into bigger pots where they have a lot of space. Spider plants are best indoor plants and one of the best ornamental plants where they are happy in the shaded sunlight. Bright sunlight is not recommended for this plant, so they will dry out the leaves. So spider plants prefer the shady partial sunlight where they are so happy. So locate it in an area where they get filtered sunlight. If you keep it inside your home, you better keep them near a windowsill for the better growth. Propagating spider plants in water is a very easy thing to do. You can propagate them easily in water. Within 2-3 days they will start to root well. So now this plant is about 1.5 months, and I have kept it as an indoor plant in water. So spider plants are said to be one of the best plants for air purification too, so this is very beneficial. Now this plant is having a lot of roots, and while the small baby reds are still growing, and I hope to keep them some time more in water. When you're propagating these plants in water, see only the roots are touching the water, not the leaves, because it might get root rot at the end. So always keep only the roots in water. Soil should be well draining, and also when talking about soil, it should be sand, garden soil, and also you can mix cocoa peat too for this. And once you place this plant, do not overwater. See, now due to the rains, now this plant is shedding leaves, so fungal infection is a common problem in this plant. So add some turmeric for that to your you can add turmeric to the top surface of the plant. It's a great remedy for fungal infection. When talking about watering, the best tip is to check the soil before you water, because these plants does not like the soggy soil. So keep them always, the moisture balance should be there, not too dry and not too soggy. So here I have another plant in my terrace, and also now talking about fertilizer. These plants are not fertilizer demanding plants. They will grow when you provide appropriate soil, like garden soil, like I said before, garden soil with sand and compost. So these plants, there are no specific fertilizer, but since they will also grow if you put some coffee grounds, I add them sparingly. You can do that twice in 2 months, like, and very easy to grow. This is an indoor plant, so no worries, grow them indoors too. So I have shared with you some basic information about growing spider plants, and also propagation, water, sunlight. So I hope you find this video very useful. Do like, share and subscribe to Thamaras Garden. Thanks for watching.